Powers Ultimate families, how everybody doing out there? Kwofi here. Another miracle plant for you. Today we're talking about carrots. We're going to talk about carrots because we disrespect them just like celery. The reason why I say that is because we don't eat enough of it. Now, carrots is an old plant. It's documents from 2000 and 3000 BC of people using this. The botanical name for this is the Khush. It's indigenously found in places like Persia, which we know now is Iran and Pakistan. It's organically grown in America. It's organically grown in Europe and places like Southwest Asia as well right now. Now, it also can be found as Queen Anne's lace. It's part of the Apiaceae or Apiaceae family. In the 16th century, there are Roman archives of illustrations of the carrot being drawn. And documents of it being used not only for food but also medicinal reasons. Now, it is abundant of it. After today, you shouldn't have to say "What's up, Doc?" anymore. There's no reason to. The first things I would say is that it's abundant of it all over the world. The reasons why is because there's so many nutrients. I will speak about vitamin A 2 times when I speak about carrots. The first things I would speak about vitamin A is that it helps the liver function. When it's helping the liver function, it's helping bile secretion, it's helping flush out toxins and different things like that. When it is helping the liver function, what it is doing, it has a soluble fiber. For people who know about soluble fiber and insoluble fibers, I speak about this in other videos that I have. What it is doing, it is finding sugar that is inside of the blood and extracting it. Even for people who eat so many carrots, if you eat so many or you take so much carrot juice, you see it start coming out your pores. It start removing toxins and bringing them out your pores. Not only through urination and bowel movements, but through your pores and through your saliva, right? So for these benefits, I would like to start speaking about the potassium that it has. It has a potassium substance in it that helps the heart health. What it is doing is extracting plaque from the heart arteries, right? And it also has phosphorus nutrients in it. Phosphorus nutrients is breaking down glucose. It's breaking down fat in the body. It's breaking down protein in the body, right? And when you talk about phosphorus, we're talking about metabolic syndromes, right? So when we're talking about helping metabolic syndromes, we're talking about we're getting extra energy during the day. We're feeling our appetite is being more pleased, so we're not eating so much, so we're fighting against weight and different things like that. And if we're fighting against weight and we're fighting against diabetes, then we're fighting against inflammation and pain in the body. The next thing of the vitamin A I would like to speak about is that it helps the eye health. Now, it helps in beta carotene. There's a myth that one of the Roman empires did not like the organic black and orange tint of the organic and indigenous carrot. So he tried to hybrid it out, and he became up with the orange and the yellow or white. Now, that's just a myth. It hasn't been proven. But beta carotene, for people who know I speak about beta carotene in some of my other videos, it has beta carotene and alpha carotene. What these do is give it an orange tint. That's scientifically proven that beta carotene gives it an orange tint. But beta carotene not only gives its color, but it also helps the eyes. And beta carotene is able to produce vitamin A. Now, when it's helping the eyes, exactly what it is doing is helping macular degeneration processes. And it's helping blindness in the retinas, right? So when we're dealing with this, is perfect. Now, there's another myth about that it helps night vision. Haven't been botanically or scientifically proven that it helps night vision, but it's a myth. During World War II, they tried to manipulate the enemy, and they put out the myth that they were eating abundant of carrots and potatoes at the time, and that they could see in the darkness to snipe them. Now, that is only a myth. Like I said, haven't been botanically or scientifically proved, but that is just a myth. But I'm sure it does have some type of benefits on the eye, since it does has beta carotene and it helps against macular degeneration processes, right? I also would like to speak about, when I speak about beta carotene and vitamin A, I like to speak about lutein and zeaxanthin, right? What these do is helping the age as you age, you lose your vision. You lose your long distance vision. Some people even lose short distance vision. Zeaxanthin and lutein is the perfect substance that you need to be targeting if you have these deficits in the body, right? And it also fights against all types of, it has an abundance of antioxidants, so it's fighting against free radicals in the body, so it's helping against infection resistance, it's helping nervous systems, it's helping circulatory systems, like I say, with the heart health, and it's helping immune systems and different things like that, right? The FAO, the Food Agriculture Organization, did a report in 2013 saying that it was 13.2 million tons of carrots being grown and being produced and manufactured. For this reason, I say that we need to grow our own carrots and own celeries and own potatoes and different things like that, because how accurately can you say that you are not getting GMOs if it is abundant of this many carrots being grown? Do you see what I'm saying here? And the reasons why it's being grown this much is because one cup of carrot juice is your daily 400% of vitamin A. 1 gram of carrot alone, whether it's solid or in carrot juice, is about 33% of vitamin A. So this is why they are targeting certain miracle plants like this, right? It's not named as miracle plants. That's why you see it in public schools. That's why you see it in restaurants. That's why you see it in the side salads and small baggies of baby carrots and things like that, right? All orange and bright, right? So we need to add in these miracle plants, and we will become optimal health beings, right? You don't have to be a vegan. You can be a carnivore. You can be a omnivore. But adding these miracle plants in on an abundant level, other than eating meat or snacks all day, can be a large benefactor, is whether you're an optimal health being and you will live long to see your grandchildren have children or not. So we need to start adding in these miracle plants. It is no more of a question. So I hope you guys enjoyed the carrot video and the carrot information. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube, because many more videos will be coming out. So power is ultimate, families. Everybody stay healthy out there.